My name is Doug Windiker. I'm a product specialist for the QA products for Atlas Copco. The purpose of the truck is to bring some of our smart connected tools directly to the customer. We can offer some hands-on experience and talk about some of their challenges in manufacturing, and then we can offer them solutions.
Hi, I'm Jason Dubendorfer. I'm a product specialist in the marketing department. Having the truck is much easier than a trade show. The truck has all the tools, it's self-contained, and we can go direct to the customer and expose them to our software and how that software could benefit them long-term versus going online and hoping that they order the right tool.
Customer response is overwhelmingly positive. They're always impressed. When they walk inside, they always say, I can't believe how big it is. It's nearly 1,100 square feet.
On the truck, we have 3 distinct stations: quality assurance, wireless freedom, and superior productivity. On the truck, we also have a lounge where we can have informal meetings with our customer.
One of the things that the truck provides is the ability for us to bring some larger equipment in there that we would normally not be able to demo. Some of our tools are communicated to databases, and we can see that and monitor that real time. Here in the truck, from start to finish, we can show the whole manufacturing process and data reporting tied to that.